husband.
Leave my husband, Nkechi.
Hey.
Not try me, oh. Not try me, oh.
Leave me alone now. Nkechi, leave me alone.
Why I go leave you?
Leave me alone.
Why I go leave you? No, why I go leave you? Now she be the only wife where you dey marry. Anytime you go, they carry her like egg. What about me?
Leave me
I not be
alone.
wife.
You leave me alone.
My own not the sweet.
You leave me.
Tell Charity to leave you.
Why must she leave me?
Good
Why?
question. Good question. Tell him where I must leave him.
She not the only wife where you marry. Tell her they carry her like egg. I be your wife too. Eh? My own thing the sweet too. What kind of thing be this?
Okay.
Jealousy!
Oh.
Jealousy!
You see, I will leave you. Since last week, you dey sleep for her room. I don't agree, oh. Today, I must collect my own. That national cake where you dey share.
Okay, leave
You
me.
go share my own, give me today.
Okay, leave me, I follow you.
You go share, man. You
Leave
go
me,
belle
make I
for me
follow you.
today. You go belle for me today.
Leave me alone.
You don't dey
Leave
get
me
anywhere.
alone.
Na my room today.
Leave me alone.
Na my room.
Nkechi! Charity, what is it?
Mama, tell them to leave me alone. What is this?
Why are you people holding my son like a criminal? What has he done to you?
No. Only me you see. You don't see this cockroach.
Why are you holding him like a criminal?
Leave me.
Come here.
See you. Every night, you go sleep for your room. You go to shout, you are killing me. You are there, baby, you are there. Today, I won't make you kill me today.
Jealousy!
You go kill me today. Now my
You
turn
will not
today.
sleep in your room.
That cake, I
You
go
will
chop
not
am
sleep in
today.
your room. Chineke me. Machie n'ụzọ. Kwacha ike. Oyori. Ị ga-egbu nwa mmadụ na nkịtị na-abọ. Shokiri ahụ onye Chineke kpọọ ọkụ. Amusu. Tuhe kwa. O ka esi eme ihe nwa ibe m. Ụmụ ihu takịta. Ihe na-atọ ụtọ na-egbu awara aja nwamba. Alumel. Your uncle came this morning.
No, what does he want?
He said I should tell you to come and see him in his house. That you people have an important discussion.
Mama, that man should stop coming here for now. In fact, he should stay away from me. Let me look for the solution to my problem.
Do you have problems?
Mama, are you the one asking me this question?
My son.
I have 2 wives and no issue. And you are asking me this question.
But you are the problem, surrender yourself. I told you to send Nkechi away before marrying Charity. You refused to listen to me. You refused.
That will not be possible. God will bless me either from any of them.
Amen. Are you walking out on me? Oscar. You're walking out on me. Ew. I am your mother. I am talking to you and you're walking out on me. Remember, you are my only son. That is why your problem will not be solved.
Mama, I am working tirelessly every night. My problems must be solved.
Hey! Oh, that was why your friend told me that what you do in your office is to sleep around. When you get to the office, you start sleeping. That is your problem.
Many problems, 2 wives here, plenty to double. Now who go agree? Husband don't tire. Never have photo, she be na you marry us. First wife when it's your boy, second wife for Babu. I go attend them for you. Kabura kwanke sugar, iga fukuiwa. Family problems, 2 wives here, plenty to double. Now who go agree? Husband don't tire.
What is going on here?
Now you are the wait. Sugar, don't mind that. Let's go to my room.
Wait, please. You've been waiting for me to come out.
No be we. Na me. Nkechi special. Na me they wait for you. Sugar, don't mind that. Let's go to my room. Override, Papa. Cockroach. If I slap you, you go just vanish. Stop me now. You think I'm scared of your slap? Slap me.
Please, 2 of you should just go to bed and sleep. I do not have that power. I don't have time for this thing now. Please.
Now lie yo. Fat big lie. Now waiting the lie. So it's my turn. This night, now my turn. You go give me. You go belle for me. See this one, no. Eh? I send you message. Now me tell you make you go marry 2 wives. Eh?
You've been waiting for me for years now. Yet you've not conceived for me. Yet you've not conceived. Eh?
Eh?
Allow me. I am tired. Leave me alone.
Cockroach. Overripe papa, they laugh. Very soon you go cry. And for you, you know the shame? You say you plant the seed that if you not germinate. You don't get shame.
Please, God of you.
I no cross here. Waiting be that.
Excuse me. I want to go and rest. Please, I don't have.
No rest, oh. Now for my room. No try me, oh.
Excuse me.
No try me, oh.
Don't
try me, oh.
Just leave me alone.
No try me, oh. Now my room,
Please.
they go. I go change it for you. No go anywhere.
Leave my husband alone. Let him rest. Leave him. Don't kill him for me, oh.
What is this now?
I tell you, I go give you slap. I don't finally give you that slap.
What is this?
Idiot.
Eh?
You know they go anywhere. Now my turn this night. Where they go? Where they go? Now my turn.
What is this?
You know they go anywhere. You don't go my turn. Now my turn. Now me get you this night.
Let's go to my room.
I go slap you again. No. I go slap you again.
Don't try it. Okay.
I talk him. Charity, open this door.
Sugar, don't mind her. The door is locked. She can't come in.
Osita, Charity, open this door.
You don't know Nkechi. She's able to pull this door down. I know what she can do.
Charity, Osita, come out. Charity, open this door.
Leave her. She can't come in. She can't do anything.
Is that what you say?
Open it. I go break them all. I go break this door. Open this door.
Okay. You want to go to her, right? Or you go to your Nkechi now?
That
Go
is
to
not
her.
what I said. That is not what I said. How can I go to Nkechi? Who is Nkechi? Why you're here? Eh?
Leave me alone.
Stop saying that, please. Eh?
Leave me alone. Stop. Leave me alone.
Charity, open this door.
Good mother be here.
Come, Sugar, come. Don't mind her.
I go break this door.
Nkechi. Nkechi, what is it? You want to break the door?
Tell Charity to open this door. I go break them all.
This door are your own. Are you the owner of this room?
My property there inside. Osita is inside. It's my turn this night. What did they do there?
Do you people want to kill my son?
Mama, now you won't kill your son. Yes, now me talk him. You won't kill him. Why you support your son make marry another wife? When I dey here, gallant. Waiting there, Charity body when no dey my body. That thing why would I be fine? All of you go see am for this house.
You come. Hey! Osta, I said it. You see it? I've been saying it. Charity got laugh at you here. Charity will kill you one day here. Nkechi is hungry, and she's right. There's no problems. You want no
Mama, good morning.
Mama, you're awake. How are you?
I'm not fine, Mama. I'm not fine.
You're not fine.
You are sweeping this company again this morning. Choir.
My dear, forget about it. Eh?
Forget about what, Mama? I should forget about it, Mama. I will not forget about this, Mama. I will not.
Omonna.
I will not forget what.
Biagodinu. Bian. Omonna. Here. They won't allow me to speed this company in peace. Eh? Because this morning I don't have the strength to fight. Here. Oh.
Achi, you are here pressing your phone, right? You are pressing your phone.
I am not pressing my phone. It's my phone that is pressing me.
Kachi, is this how your mother trains you?
What kind of insult is that one? Eh?
Kachi, get off from that place now. Go out there, collect that broom from my mother and sweep this whole compound.
Obonna, don't you have hands? Can't you sweep? Every time, kachi. You people should respect yourself in this house, so.
Kachi, you are shouting at me.
Yes, because he insulted your elder brother's wife.
Kachi, how did that insult you? How can my mother be the one sweeping this whole compound when we have someone like you in this house?
Now I know your plan. So you feel that I married your brother to be your slave? Eh?
Kachi, I am warning you for the last time. Go out there now and sweep this compound.
As I said, I will not do it. I will not sweep the compound. Not even your mother, not even you. I will not sweep that compound.
Fine. It's okay. I will leave this until my brother comes back and we'll settle this once and for all.
Mona, please, don't tell my husband. Come on, get out. I get it, tell my brother.
It's okay. It's okay. Fine. There's no problem. But this thing must stop today. This thing must end today.
You are going to tell my husband. Me and you, who has right over my own husband? He's your brother, but he's my husband. Nonsense. Man, this useless boy that just came here to distract me.
This nonsense must stop in this house today. Mama. This thing must stop. This nonsense will stop in this house, Mama.
It's okay.
I'm telling you, Mama.
It's
This
okay.
thing, Kachi must stop this. Why must you be sweeping this compound every morning? When Kachi is in this house?
Can you just calm down? Calm down now. Take it easy. You want me to start fighting with Kachi? Eh? I don't have the strength to fight with Kachi, oh. I'm going to let me sweep this compound down. What is it? Must I always quarrel in this house? I'm going to oh. Leave me, oh. Here.
First wife will need your boy, second wife will go back. I go change them for you. Sugar.
Hello.
Sugar.
Oh, Malicham. Hey, I'm off to work.
You wasted so much time there. I hope you didn't do anything with that woman.
No. I was dressing up. How do I look?
You look handsome.
Thank you. So, let me start going, huh?
Sugar, there's nothing in the house. So. Do I stay hungry until you come back?
I didn't really come back with anything, and they've not paid us. Okay, hold on. Alright, please manage this. Okay?
Sugar, this is small, though. But I'll manage it. I know you'll buy me something.
Just manage it.
Don't be late.
You don't go work?
Of course, I'm off to work.
Money for hand.
Which money?
Which money?
Yeah.
No, I can't say you give her money. Give me my own money.
See, I don't have any money again with me here. This is the only money I have here, and it's for my transport.
And my own money is this.
What is it now? What is this?
Give me my own. My money is only 500 naira. You gave me 500 and you gave her 1,000. Balance it up.
You manage it now. See, I told you I'm going to get you something when coming back.
I will not do that. Oh.
Oyoyo. Manage it now.
I know I'm taking it to. It's because I know you buy me something when you're coming back.
Of course I will.
Okay. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Family problems. Two wives.
Have a good day. Buy me something when you're coming back. Oh.
Husband don't tire. Never ever thought to. She be na you marry us. First wife when it's your boy, second wife for Papa. I go change them for you. Kabura Kwanki sugar, Iga Fukuiwa. Family problems. 2 wives here, plenty to the blue. Now who go be?
Mike, Kachi gave me the highest insult of my life today. I could not believe it.
You mean my own Kachi spoke to you like that?
See, Mike, I cannot lie to you. I was terribly angry this morning. Very angry.
It's alright. No need to be angry. I'll talk to her. Let me know why she had to speak to you like that.
You will not only talk to her. You will warn her seriously. She has no right to insult a woman. Eh?
Mama, I just said I will talk to her. That's exactly what I just told Obona.
Hey! See, Mike, I know why Mama is saying this to you. Because the way you handle Kachi in this house is not encouraging.
What is your problem? No, what is your problem? You want me to be beating my wife now? No, you want me to turn her into a punching bag for you?
If I know why would I punching back? Warn your wife seriously. Warn her, yeah.
Mama, please. You are the cause of the problem. Let me tell you, you're the cause of the problem. Since my wife came to this house, you've not liked her from the onstart.
Look at you.
You want me to remind you what happened the day we went to see her people?
Your wife has no manners at all. She has no manners at all.
Biko.
Teach her some manners.
You get why you?
Teach her some manners. Teach her some manners. Stop behaving like a boy. Behave like a man that you are.
Mama,
look at this boy, yo.
Just leave me alone. Please come and sit down.
Look at this boy, yo. Hey. This boy is vexing me in this household. Eh? He is making me angry in this household. This boy is making me angry in this house. Okay, boy, come on, boy. Because he's not behaving like a man. At all. Can you imagine? Just the good idea. We are telling you how to handle your wife. You are shouting.
Family problems. 2 wives here, plenty to the blue. Now who go get? Husband don't tire. Never have a photo. She be na you marry us. First wife when it's your boy, second wife for Papa. I go change them for you. Kabura Kwanki sugar, Iga Fukuiwa. Family problems. 2 wives here, plenty to the blue. Now who go get? Husband don't tire. Never have a photo. She be na you marry us. First wife when it's your boy, second wife for Papa. Had the work and she get them. She not send anybody. If it poison the fear. Had the work and she get them. She not send anybody. If it poison the fear. After hustling, I reach the house to rest here. On that no. Apollo number. First wife under an hour, second wife under an hour. First wife under an hour, second wife under an hour. NK special, don't mind them. Bella no so, neckily faithfully. NK special, I don't share. What man can do, a woman can do it better. NK man, one you baraba. Chizzy canalo, na chuku gazabere one day. Hustle dumpe, my husband, hustle dumpe. Je vais tell you before, hustle dumpe, that my hustle must bear. Hustle dumpe, hustle dumpe, hustle dumpe.
No, I can't take it anymore. Enough is enough. This is not the first time, it's not the second time, it's not even the third time I've caught you sleeping in your office while you have many things to do.
Sir, I am sorry about that. I couldn't just sleep well last night.
Is that enough reason? That is what you say all the time. Have you sent the email to our associate?
No, sir, I've not. But I'll do that just now.
Do you know the damages you have caused this company because of your sleeping attitude? Do you?
Sir, I'm sorry. It won't happen again, please.
I am disappointed in you. Totally disappointed. Go, see me in the next 5 minutes. Go. Thanks.
Plenty to the blue. Now who go agree? Husband don't tire. Never ever photo. She be na you marry us. First wife on it your boy. Second wife for Bokwabu. I go attend them for you. Gabura Kwanki sugar. Iga Fukuiwa. Family problems. 2 wives here. Plenty to the blue. Now who go agree? Husband don't tire. Never ever photo.
Come in. Come in.
Son, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay. This is for you.
Sir, please.
You can go now.
Please, what's the essence of the letter?
I said you can go now. Mr. Man, don't be a fool. Leave my office.
Sorry, sir.
Hey, listen.
Hey, Ini Edo. Good morning. Hey, Kimber.
Did you message your son?
I did.
You did?
Of course I did.
I waited for your son since morning and I didn't see him.
When you know he's a civil servant. He used to go to his office early in the morning.
Tell your son to see me as soon as he comes back.
Okay.
Let him not fail.
I will do that.
Did you hear me?
I will do that. But Ini Edo, why are you so desperate about sharing this piece of land?
What is your business in there?
My business? I am married to that family, so I should be concerned.
Is that why you are questioning my action?
Hey, I should not question you. That's no problem.
Just tell him to see me.
I will deliver your message.
Sugar, what's the problem?
Talk now, you can't keep face like waiting on. What's this? I better take.
You thought it's money, right? Because I know you cannot read.
Hey, no insult me, oh. No insult me, I get pedigree, no insult me. I don't warn you now.
Hey, Osita, you've been sacked from work?
I was sacked because of both of you. I barely sleep at night.
No, I don't follow.
I always found myself sleeping in the office.
Good for you, I don't follow. Now this cockroach where they here. Yes, I don't know whether na sweet or na honey she put for inside there. Every night you go do tom 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 like rat. You go enter her room. She say, Osita, you are there. Osita, you kill me. Osita, you are there. You don't say they don't sack you now.
Did you just refer to me as cockroach?
Where again? Now you be cockroach, big one. Those one when they get horn. Now wait till you be.
Look at this rat calling someone cockroach.
Respect yourself, oh. If I was you slap, If I was you slap, you go turn green. See my see this side the joke. I go tear you to pieces, so no try me. I go finish your life. See you. You see yourself, Osita. You see what you do yourself? No, go outside. Bring women, go chatter women, come house, go keep them for house fair. Now like this I go there, they will watch you. You never cheat something. You never see anything.
Sugar, see, she's laughing at you. If I tell you this woman does not love you, you will not believe me.
Don't touch me.
You're walking out on me. Oscar, you're walking out on me. You're walking out on me.
Uncle, please, just go straight to the point. I'm not in the right frame of mind now. Please.
Okay. I will go straight to the point. I summoned you here concerning our family land, very close to the market square. Remember? Good. Tomorrow, both of us will go with a very well-numbered tapes. We'll go there and measure it. After the measurement, we will share it immediately.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Uncle, we've decided that we're going to share this land towards the end of the year.
Well, as the head of the family, I've decided otherwise.
Okay, no problem. I'll come out tomorrow. Is it not just to share the land into two? I'll come out.
Who told you it's going to be shared into two?
Do I need to be told? That's how we've been sharing things in this family. So I don't need to be told.
Well, for your information, the land will be shared into 3. You, Osita, will take 1. My brother and I will take the remaining 2. That's all.
Uncle, that is not true. We are just 2 in this family. My father's side and yours.
Are you now challenging my authority as the head of the family? No, Osita. Go on, Osita. You are not challenging me, the head of the family.
Uncle, I am not challenging you, but we have to do things the right way.
Oh, it is clear you are now challenging me.
Anyway, Uncle, for your information, you're not going to see me tomorrow. Eh? Yes, period.
But let me tell you, I will soon show you that
family problems, 2 wives here, plenty to double. Now who go give? Husband don't tire. Now they have a photo, she be na you marry us.
Hey, Adam, get one of the my daughter, you're ready to go?
Yes.
So I said, let me add this 2 bags of yam to the gari. You will carry everything home. Oh?
Mama, you mean saying I mean you bring out all these things for? I be one carry and go sell for market.
Yes, my daughter. You know that's your husband. Osita, I don't understand him. So I don't want hunger to kill you in his house.
Ah, Mama, I can't talk sale. You don't talk like say you don't know the pikin where you give birth to. Oh, they hustle now, be hustler. They hustle, they gather. Waiting I go chop. I no go fit find waiting I go chop. Keep palm, and you need them pass.
But sister, go with them now.
Carry everything home.
If I carry these things reach house, you see Osita wife, that cockroach, and Osita himself, as he long, now so he dey chop, like say he go die today, tomorrow. If I open my eyes, close them, they don't finish everything.
Okay, you keep them in your room, in your own room.
Yes.
Stay with them.
Yes. Mama, now you need these things. In fact, if you don't need them, carry and go sell. Keep the money for your pocket.
Carry these things.
I don't need them. I dey hustle. I be hustler. They hustle, my hustle they pay. Keep them. Yeah.
I'm not happy about you too. Okay. Should have carried everything home.
No best for me, Mama. No best for me. Keep them. If you don't want to keep them, go sell and make money. Don't worry about it.
You don't want to carry anything out, or you not even gari, not even palm oil.
No.
Wait, let me see your.
Mama, you need them pass.
Take care. Oh, be careful, oh.
Okay, Mama.
Bye bye, Greet everybody, oh. Hi. My complete child. My full package. Nanje mono. Ha. Chineke nna. Kede kwa nge. Ngwana. Asi mu eba anole. Anwele we na anyori yo. Ngwana mu melo wa.
Mama, I will not take it. I will not take it. Uncle Idoko is trying me in this family. He's trying me. Oh.
How will Uncle Idoko believe that we will accept his condition? Huh? That's no way we'll accept.
I will call his brother and ask him if he's part of this arrangement. I will call him.
No. Arinze will never support such wickedness. I know Arinze very, very well. He will not.
Mama, I'm very angry right now. I am very, very easily when.
Again. Why should you be angry? Hey, come, you did not tell me that you were sacked from your office this morning. I overheard Nkechi when he was talking to somebody on phone that you were sacked because you always sleep in your office.
Mama, please, forget about that matter, please.
How can we forget it? Maybe Nkechi na Charity has been they won't allow you to sleep. How will you sleep? You will just go to the office and sleep.
Who told you?
I am a mother in my house. Unless my ears are open, I should know what is going on in my family. Woke up on a why in a clew, Nemegini, Nejo,
Please stop using that kind of proverb on me, please.
I will use it again.
That was Namodino Abigo.
I will use it again and again. Because you failed to listen to your mother's advice. Neka match or one match in a heshi. You got how much? How much I now want to match. Just look at you. A young boy of yesterday. How many years are you? I'm asking you, star. Never I want to go to Zewa. You should go. I'm a rose flower, but gonna cause.
Mayabula. Yabula.
Hey.
Yabula.
Namo, are you back?
No, I'm not back. I'm in. Trying to come back.
What's so cheap? What's so cheap? Maria Shamaya Mama Pupo, what's so cheap? You're back. You know, follow Mickey. Oh, yeah. Tell hey, we're going to come Jishikolo, Eliza. Eliza, we're going to come Jishikolo. Ekwe me bed, could not listen to me. Half on your audio.
Family problems. 2 wives here, plenty to double. Now who go get husband don't tire. Never have photo, she be na you marry us. First wife when it's your boy, second wife for Babu. I got 10 them for you. Kabura Panky sugar. You got Fukuiwa. Family problems. 2 wives here, plenty to double.
What's my man? Where are you going to with a machete? Because I know you don't farm.
I am not cut out for that your insult. Not cut out for that your insult today.
I'm not insulting you.
As a matter of fact, I am going to my yam farm.
Yam farm, you said?
Yes.
Okay. Very soon I will know where the yam farm is located.
Oh, see, what happened? Are you on leave?
Oh, what can you hear? I've been sacked.
Sacked? What happened?
I was sacked for sleeping in the office.
Wait. Are you serious about what you just said, or you're joking?
My friend, it's not a laughing matter. 2 of my wives caused that. They never allow me sleep at night.
How do you mean?
What kind of question is that? Are you a child? Oh, you're laughing? You think it's a laughing matter? Okay, continue laughing.
What's he gone? What's that gone now? Oh, my friend, I pity you. Sorry, oh. You are sleeping in the office. Only way to for wine, I mean, you don't know.
Family problems. 2 wives here.
Ozzy!
Now who go Husband don't tire, never have a photo, she be na you marry us. First wife when it's your boy, second wife for Bokwabu. I go attend them for you. Gabura Panky Sugar, Iga Fukuiwa. Family problems, 2 wives here, plenty to the blue. Now who go agree? Husband don't tire, never have a photo, she be na you marry us. First wife when it's your boy, second wife for Bokwabu. Kitchen yellow biama had the work na she get them. She not send anybody, even poison the fialan. Kitchen yellow biama had the work na she get them. She not send anybody, even poison the fialan. After hustlement, I reach the house to rest here. On that no, a bullock number.
This kind of food is in this house. And I'm hungry. I will so finish you. I will finish you.
Today I'm going to show you another style.
Stop boasting. Play game.
Jamaica call it Araba style.
Araba style.
Big 2. Acquired there. One day go see
your drinks too much.
Watch another one. Triangle 7. Watch your
any tricks you play, yeah, when the mafia.
Don't worry. Watch your head. Okay, watch his in there. Start 2. Watch your head. I'm 1 year geek and I'll show you.
I know all your tricks.
Pick 2.
I know all your tricks.
I know if you know my tricks.
Me?
I know fit.
Am I your friend?
I will show you.
Am I your friend for nothing?
I will show you another style today. Just watch. Your
wife.
Hey! So you're trying to hide? You cannot hide from me.
What is it? Eh? What is it, Charity?
So you're here drinking beer while I was waiting for you to come back home.
Oh, Charity, what do you want? What do you want? Eh?
I want to eat, I'm hungry.
Okay, go home, I'm coming.
I'm not going anywhere. You're here drinking beer with your friend. You don't know whether I'm alive or dead.
It's Elvis that bought this beer for me, oh. I'm not even having any money with me here. You can search me if you want.
I'm not searching you. Come, let's go home.
Charity, go home, I'm coming. Let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Charity, can't you just leave me alone, eh? Can't I enjoy myself for once? Eh? Can't you allow me to enjoy myself for once in this life? Let me be! What is it?
You're shouting at me. You're shouting at me. Okay, no problem. Drink your beer very well. In fact, download it. Let me see how you come to my room and knock this night. Let me see you.
Charity!
You're shouting at me.
No. Jidem Bia, coming.
Are you sure you're coming back?
Yes. Charity.
Hey! Okay, if young man like you think you will marry 2 wives and still have rest of mind. Go and marry the 3rd one. Oh yeah, Allah.
Family problems, 2 wives here, plenty to the blue. Now who go agree? Husband don't tire, never have a photo. She be na you marry us. First wife when it's your boy, second wife for Bokwabu. Kitchen yellow biama had the work na she get them. She not send anybody, even poison.
Charity, who chopped the food where I keep for kitchen?
What kind of stupid question is that? Sugar, let's go in.
Oh my God, you go there. Cockroach. And they talk, he won't go inside. You smoke toilets. Abi, you think that generator when they make noise?
Easy.
Sugar, you're not saying anything, no.
Saying what? When are they come up for this house for money? Not only you did the house. Now you chop the food. Where my food?
Wait. Did you eat her food?
Sugar, how can you ask me that? Does she even know how to cook?
Go punish you there. Go Osita. You know say my hair no correct. You know say I know they normal. I go change them for am. I go tell am. Make she give me my food.
Hold on.
I go walk around, come make her chop. The food don't vanish. Which kind of thing be that?
But you heard her say she did not eat your food.
Na lie! She chop am. She chop am.
How?
I go.
Don't do that.
Osita.
Don't do that in my house. Don't do it.
Osita.
Don't do that.
Stop it! Stop it! What's
Come. Wait. Listen me this. But you give me money, why? Now you give me money, why take cook the food? Now you give me the money.
Stop it!
I go hard to bring money cook. Charity, give me my food. Charity.
Did you see Osita?
No.
No, you did not see Osita.
I did not see Osta. I am the one to ask you. Where is Osta?
Mama, please, can you give me some food to eat? I've not eaten since morning and I'm very, very hungry.
Oh, is that why you're walking up and down? I thought you said you're looking for your husband.
Mama, it's a slip of tongue.
Slip of tongue? Yes, Mama. Eziopo, your tongue slips as well. I'm not surprised about that. You will be lying down in bed and your tongue will be sleeping. Then you ask unreasonable questions. Lazy woman. No wonder you're walking up and down. Nkechi has gone out to look for a job. You are here lazing around. You are the one to feed me and not me to feed you. Come and eat. Amusu. If he can
Firewood. Special firewood.
Family problem. 2 wives, plenty to the bone. Now who go be? Husband done tired. Now that one photo, she be na you marry us. First wife when it's your boy, second wife for the family.
I get special firewood. Who they buy me? I get special. Firewood, I don't show. Who they buy me? I get special. I get.
After hustling mental, rich house with the rest of you. On a dozen no number. First wife and second wife and first wife and second wife and
Firewood. 500. Every time, catchy. What did I do to you? What did I do to you? What kind of thing is this one? Which one, Catchy? I am not afraid of you in this house. I am not afraid of you in this house.
Catchy, I am warning you for the last time. I am warning you.
Touch me if you're a man. Touch
me if you are man enough.
Obonna, what is the problem?
Mama, warn her. I'm taking this from her.
You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything, Obonna.
Will you shut?
Mama, leave me. Shut up. Tell him to mind his business. Mama, leave me. Tell him to mind his business in this house. I am not like your sister that goes about begging for food.
Eh? Mama, did you hear that?
Osi. Look at this girl.
Mama, this girl has taken more than required in this house.
Eh? She just walked away. She dropped this bump and walked away.
I've been telling you people right from the beginning that she's not a good wife material, but my brother will not listen. Now see.
Is that how she behaves?
Yeah, you're asking me?
That my daughter goes about begging for food.
No, this house.
Na yogali ni. Kachi. Hey. Afu kwa no manya. Osi.
It's me.
That by him, yeah.
Elisa.
Naija.
How are you? I'm looking for your son.
My son?
Osita.
Only he's around.
Good.
Oh, see one.
Good. Okay.
Good afternoon.
Why do you keep me under the sun since that time? We had an agreement.
I never had an appointment with you because I did not agree with your plans.
Yes.
Huh? Yes. Yes.
I thought I saw it. I saw it coming. Elisa, did you hear your son speak?
Yes, I heard him very well.
Eh? What right has he to question my authority as the head of this family?
Naija. I want to answer it. You have to do the right thing.
Eh?
The land's supposed to be shared into 2 and not 3. And the reason your brother is not a party of it.
Look, leave Irene out of this.
Uncle Nekwaya, onya na asanya de me kwanyelo onwia ugbo. Ma apiakwa go okpu jake.
I see. I saw it coming. Oh, Muakena to Zulilunu. Eh? You have grown wings now to ocean proverb.
You will never see me on that land till you do the right thing.
Okay.
You never see me there, Uncle. Whatever you do on that land, you are on your own.
You? Yes.
Wicked.
You
wicked.
Elisa, I've heard what you and your son said. I will leave. But let nobody blame you at the end.
Nobody will blame you.
I thought one giga. Let nobody blame me.
Nobody is going to blame anybody. You will do no such thing. Let your wife use that to cook soup for you and pepper soup. Stupid man, just look at you. Nobody is going to wait for you. Do your worst. Do the right thing so everything will be okay. Amusu, look at his baby, a useless man. Even the cap that your late father left for you, you can't even wash it. Bad dirty. Oh, you shashimu de thought to unga tabu onwe na nu dem. Chuku ba work.
NK special.
Special. NK firewood. I don't come. I don't show.
NK special. I don't share.
Who they find me? Firewood.
Woman can do it better.
NK special. No more stress. Firewood. Customer.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Don't tell.
I don't tell.
How much they sell am?
It look like say you don't know. Na 500. The price never change. 500.
500. Too dear now. Say on the firewood small.
Customer. And because of you. Your fine nose.
This one knows there.
I'll give you 350.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay now.
Tell your friends, your neighbors, family members, eh?
I don't
when they buy my firewood.
Tomorrow, you go pass now.
NK special, I don't come.
Mama, he sent for me.
And Mike, you came back late last night, so I was not able to tell you what happened here yesterday.
Mama, if it's about what happened here yesterday, forget about it. My wife has told me everything and how it all started. You get why?
Your wife has told you everything. What did she tell you?
Mama, she has told me everything you and Ogbonna said to her. Is it because I don't want to say anything? No, because I decided to keep quiet.
Okay, Mike, tell Mama what she told you now.
Tell her.
Come. It's like you don't have respect in this house anymore. Eh? Are you mad? So we are now mates now?
Mike.
No, we are having a board meeting now.
Mike, forget about that. Forget about this thing you're saying. Call a spade a spade.
No, now we are mates now. You're sitting me down to start explaining what happened. Can you imagine this boy?
I'm not afraid of you.
Are you challenging me in this house?
I'm not afraid of you. What will you do? What will you do?
What will I do? Ogbonna, what will I do?
Ogbonna, wait.
No, Mama, did you hear your son?
Wait!
Ogbonna is asking what will I do? Ogbonna, you get why you? He gets why.
Mike, wait.
He gets why.
Let's discuss what we called you for.
Mama, please, I don't want to hear anything.
You
heard your son. He's challenging me. Ogbonna, what will I do?
Mike, let us
what will I
now.
do?
I called you here.
Okay.
Mike, I called you here.
He gets why, yo. He gets why. What will I do? You will soon tell me what my wife did to you people in this house.
Mike.
You will soon tell me.
Mike, you don't have any regard for your mother again. No regard again for your mother.
Leave him alone. See, Mama. I'm ready for Mike this afternoon. I'm ready for him. I will give it to him like you want. You see. I'm very angry this afternoon. I'm very, very angry.
Huh?
Mama, you're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Is your mother at home?
Yes.
Please call her for me.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Mama!
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Come and sit.
Okay.
Welcome, Mama.
Hey,
how is everybody?
They're fine, They're fine. Thank you.
How is my daughter?
Your daughter is the reason I am here.
My own daughter?
Yes.
I hope all is well.
She has been a thorn in my flesh. She has been a thorn in my flesh ever since she entered my home. Your daughter doesn't give me peace at all. She has been causing one problem to the other.
Please, how has she been causing problem?
She doesn't respect me. She talks to me anyhow. She insults me the way she likes. So, I said I should come and talk to you as the mother to advise your own child.
Ned, why are you like this? Why are you like this?
How do you mean?
Why are you wicked?
Me? Wicked?
Of course my daughter is right. Because she has been telling me how you've been maltreating her. And by the good look of things, of course, she's right.
Your daughter said I have been maltreating her.
Ned, the question is that, have you not been maltreating her?
Anyway, I have done with what I came for. I have delivered my message to you. Just warn your daughter for me. Warn her for me, please. And
Ned, you are the one that is supposed to be warned. You are the one that's supposed to be warned. Even a wicked woman. Do you know what? Please allow my daughter to enjoy her marriage. Hey. Did you hear me? Allow my daughter to enjoy her marriage.
I can see you are not with yourself. Eh?
Are you not
just
ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Please leave me.
To warn your daughter.
Warn my daughter
about
Mama is shouting because you caused it.
Like mother, like daughter.
Like mother, like daughter. Do you want to sleep with your son? Do you want to sleep with your son? Do you want to sleep with your son? I'm not tired. Let me say the next thing I will do with you. This will be the first and ever last. You never come to this place to warn me about my daughter. Did you hear me?
It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay. Let's
what? Allow me.
I have seen it.
Seen what?
You are not a good mother at all.
You come.
Your daughter is bad.
And your son is a good. Please get out. Don't ever come here.
Like mother, like daughter. No, please.
Stupid. See, if I see you in this
advise your daughter.
Advise my daughter. You are a wicked woman. You are a wicked woman. You are a wicked woman. Don't come to my place again. Don't come to report me. Don't come to report me. Don't. Let me see next time we should call here. Let me see her next time to warn me.
You surprise
me. Surprise you how? Can I see surprise? Yeah.
Ha! Mama, how can you insult our in-law that way?
Which in-law? In-law do not respect herself. Then you yourself, you just want respect for her.
Mama, please. Sometimes someone tells you the truth. What you do?
What truth are you talking about, Nwa? What truth? What are you even talking about?
Mama, okay, wait. I want to ask you. Someone came into this house to tell you about your daughter's misbehavior, and all you could do was to insult her. Is that fair?
I did not insult her. I was only telling her the reality of it. You know why? That woman is wicked.
Mama, please stop it.
It's wicked.
I don't like what you did. I don't like it.
Let me ask you, is there anything wrong with you? Aronapoy?
Mama, you and I know that what our in-law said is the truth.
Truth about?
Yes, Kachi is a very saucy person.
Truth about what? We are not talking about saucy. What we are talking about is reality. That woman is wicked. It's not somebody to stay with. I'm telling you the gospel truth. It's because you are not there. Ha!
Mama, please. Please, I don't like the way you talk to that woman. You will go and apologize to that woman. No?
You are very stupid. Is there anything wrong with you? And if I hear one word, I will deal with you. I will slap you. And do you know what? It's high time you got married, so that I will have my peace in this house.
So, Mama, it is now about marriage. No, Hala. Who told you I am not going to get married? Mama, what you did is not fair.
Let me tell you, if you talk more one word, I will slap you. If I hear you raise your voice again, I will slap you. Get out! Mama, please don't. Get out from this place. If you call them, I don't know why you never supported me in anything.
All right, I will get back to you in the next 15 minutes. Yes, I have someone in my office right now. Okay, bye. So, Mr. Man, what are you doing in my office?
So I came to see you.
What can I do for you?
Sir, please, I came to ask you for forgiveness.
Sir, you are no longer a worker here, so I wonder the kind of forgiveness you are asking for.
Sir, please help me. Call me back. I'm a family man. I have 2 wives, sir. 2 wives.
You have 2 wives?
Yes. Please.
Well, I'm sorry about what happened to you. Your position has been taken over.
Sir, please. Please.
There is no more vacancy for you.
Sir. Sir.
Well, you heard what I said. Please, you can take your look.
Sir, please help me. It's me, oh. It's me, please.
Leave my office right now. I'm busy with something, please. I'm very, very busy right now.
Sir, please call me back.
I don't want to call the security for you. Please, go.
Star started again, no. Star started again, no. Eh? How can he leave me here in this house without food since morning? And I'm very, very hungry.
It's like you want Oster, my son, to die for you because he married you. So you want Oster to die for you because he married you?
Mama, stop supporting evil. How can a man leave his house since morning without telling his wife where he's going to?
I am supporting evil. Won't you go out there and look for what you're supposed to be doing in order to help your family, help your husband?
Me, I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about? I am watching all of you. Go inside, keep your hands like this, and food will fly from heaven.
Mama, I did not come here to stress myself.
Hey, you are a housewife, okay? Housewife. Housewife. I didn't mess in housewife. Go and struggle like other women. Foolish girl.
But, Mama, did you cook anything? I'm very, very hungry.
I thought I will not give to you. When Oster comes back, tell him I said I will not give you food. Where you go, why we? Gossip.
Mama, it's not good though. It's not good.
I'll tell Oster. Tell him. Tell him when he comes back, I will not give you. Lazy, foolish woman. And you give me tata. Ori makauye chime egbulu.
What have I gotten myself into? 2 troublesome wives, no job. Up till now, none of them could give me a child. What kind of life is this?
Elvis, what is going on? Why is your face like this? Elvis, I'm in a serious trouble. I went back to see my manager as you advised me. Okay. And what did he say?
He declined. I don't even know how I'm going to go back to the house and meet my 2 wives. Okay? Especially Charity.
My brother, life is like that sometimes. Oh, please. Calm down.
There's 2 wives, no job. Right. I don't even know how I'm going to face them. Especially that Charity.
It's okay. It's okay. Just take your drink, oh. Take your drink and drink away your sorrow. Madam, get me some drink there.
Drink will not solve my problem.
Madam, pretend me I know.
Yeah? 2 wives, no job. A critical situation.
Relax.
Yeah?
Calm down now. Calm down. Yeah. Everything will be fine. Just drink away your sorrows first.
Drink will not solve my problem. Drink will never solve my problem. Just leave this thing. I cannot.
Calm down. Let's have a toast. Let us have a toast too. Okay, Panita no mayana ka aikwa ya.
This is how my problem.
Oster, drink. Drink away your sorrows and troubles. Aye. Wait. Imana ndo were se ya. Atareba ogba nroba mwe. Ndị na-anụ nwaanyị ndị na-alụ ụlọ ha rụrụ ebe. Come on.
Family problems, 2 wives here, plenty to double. Now who go get husband and tire? Never ever thought she be na you marry us. First wife when it's your boy, second wife for Babu. I go change them for you. Gabura wanky sugar.
Ubunna and their mother are the problem I'm having in that house.
Do not worry. Do not allow anyone to intimidate you. Always fight for your right. Did you hear me?
Trust me now. Nobody can intimidate me in that house. As long as my husband still remains the first son of that family.
Bam.
I am my mother's daughter.
And you know what? Anyone that touches you, there, do not forget to just call me on phone. I will arrange boys here in this village and come to remind them that you are my daughter. Any of them that messes up, just won't die. Call me. I'll come to that village.
The rate with which Obonna challenges my husband in that house is something else. I don't know why Mike is being so soft to him.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I have told you. Do not hesitate to call me anytime, any day. I will arrange boys here to that village. And when I come there, I will show them now more about the wine.
Oh, why?
Yes, now.
I will go there and show them that it was my mother that gave birth.
One, they can't do.
Nebo. Oh, yo. Okay, ma. Mommy, I'll come back later.
Bye-bye.
Hey,
Bullshit. Life is so sweet, enjoyment everywhere.
Enjoyment is good.
But I'm not drunk. I'm just enjoying myself.
I know you're not drunk. I know you're not
drunk. Somehow now. Elvis, my one. No, you know why I like you? Why I like you is that you always make me happy. I'll be so happy and I'll be enjoying myself.
A friend in need now.
He's a friend indeed. Elvis, you're a correct man. You know what? You're going to marry a very good wife. 2 wives, just like me.
What problem 2 wives? I can only get married to 1 wife.
But one wife is enough. If you marry 1, you won't enjoy. If you marry 2, you pay side that. You take go side that. You don't yaka, no pay side that. You don't ya. You not get the mirror. You not good.
One is okay for me. One them.
Elvis, Rafa.
You want to talk with?
Self-contentment. That is 1 Timothy 6. Self-contentment.
Okay, you make heaven. God is waiting for you. Elvis, you too, you make heaven.
And you will make heaven too.
Don't worry, you make heaven. I promise you that. You know I'm a Chineke boy.
I know.
I'm a very highly spiritual man. But Elvis, what of that thing that I asked you? That's small cash. Please, and when him Jinab, I have nothing here.
Osta.
Oh, I need it.
Osta.
You know I have 2 wives.
I know, but Osta, I don't have anything on me now. I gave all the money that I came out with to that Panwan woman. Jordan come 1 naira. Oh, because I will see.
Okay, let me follow you to your house. So you look for money in any of your pockets.
I don't even have anything in the house. Don't worry. Tomorrow I'm going to get out. Tomorrow I'm going to get out. Because I'll give you something tomorrow.
I trust you. Elvis, my one. My one.
You're supposed to trust me.
Let me follow this side.
I'm going now.
He said there's nothing at all.
No, there's nothing.
Hey, why Elvis? You want to talk bullshit? Why you want to know what I'm talking?
This life is so.
Don't follow.
Life is so. Wow, boy. Laja. Hey, what are you? Oh, boy.
I'm not talking about me.
I'll see you tomorrow. You move if you marry 2 wives, if you're walking on the road, You feel like you gotta go. It's so sweet.
Come, Charity. Charity. Wetin be this?
Wetin be wetin?
Why you touch my bucket?
Hey, this is family bucket now. It's not your own.
Family bucket?
Yes.
Family bucket. Give me my... No, touch this bucket. Wetin dey worry you? Family bucket. No be my hustle money. My sweat I use buy this bucket.
So I cannot wash in this house?
No, you not gonna fit wash with am. Go.
Draw me nearer to the... Oh, draw me. What is going on here? Yeah? What is happening here?
Sugar, she slapped me. She slapped me.
Who slapped you?
You slapped me. Look at what she did to my jaw. In fact, my neck is even paining me.
But if she slap you, you open your hand and slap her back. Omari Magulia 1-1. You gotta go.
Osita. So you have the money to be drunk like this? You have the money to drink to this level, Osita?
Is it your money? Is it your drink? Is it your mouth? I don't...
Hey!
Is it your mouth that I used to drink? Hey!
I'm in this house. Osita, you went to drink like this?
Hey!
You will sleep here today. Since you decide to drink with the little money you have, you will sleep here today.
Okay. Hey, Ajonku.
Husband don't tire, never have a photo. She be na you marry us. First wife when it's your boss.
What were you discussing with your mom?
What else? If not things that bore my mind.
My mother still insists we should start cooking our own food. It's high time you face your own family.
You know what? I have made up my mind. Tomorrow, I will give you money to buy stove, pot and kettle. All the cooking utensils you need for us to cook privately.
Thank you. My mom will be very happy to hear that. Obi, thank you. I'm coming. Let me go and tell my mom. I love you.
Guess why?